My brother and sister in the diaspora, are you stuck in the rat race abroad while trying to support your family member and friend back home? What if I told you there is a proven way to break free? A step-by-step online business blueprint that is paying people $100 to $900 daily, working just 2 hours a day. My name is François Kabore. I have been living abroad for a few years now, moving from country to country, searching better opportunity while trying to support my own family member back home. I know how hard it can be because I have been there. Good paying jobs are not easy to find, they are not easy to get, and with less income, make it even difficult sometimes to send money back home. That is why I went looking for something online, an online business that I can do that can help me to earn some additional income. And I discovered a program that is changing a lot of people's lives around the globe. With this system, anyone can learn to earn daily commission of $100 to $900 while working on their own terms. The best part is that it doesn't require you to have any fancy technical skills or a big investment. It is all about following a simple, proven process that can help you build a legacy for your family and also to spend quality time with your family member and friend. I'm going to share with you some earning proof of statement inside our community. So it shows you that it is possible. As you can see here, today is Monday, the 25th of November 2024. Our community members have now grown to over 45,800 members. As you can see here, this is a great place to be. This business is helping so many people, and you can be able also to join our community if you take action today. But first, earning disclaimer. You can take a screenshot of this, then you can read it later, because for any online or offline business, there is no guarantee that anyone will make money. Individual earning depend on their work ethic, commitment, and developing the skills needed. So we have all the step-by-step guide for you to follow. So if people inside our community are able to use the same system to earn some daily commission, so you can also do the same if you follow the step-by-step guide provided. As you can see here, that was 37 minutes at the time I was taking the screenshot. So individual results may vary, but it is possible to duplicate or to earn similar result or even greater. And you can see here, let me highlight this one here. Ashley posted 37 minutes ago inside our win tab inside the community. She said, dog and ding. She said, just walking my dog and got pay $900 commission here. Ever notice how when you start feeling better and doing better, so do your loved one and pet? So I love the biz we are in. So she loved this business that I'm introducing to you. So she was able to earn $900 on automation. So you can see that you get an automated online business running for you around the clock. Mandy also posted 4 hours ago why I call Friday Freedom Friday. Another $900 here notification that she received. She said this morning while watching Mike going training, this business literally bring tear to my eyes, she said. And congratulations, let's continue to see some more. One day ago, Danielle posted, forgot to post. Made a $100 on Monday and a update sales on Tuesday. Happy about that, even thought my typing doesn't look as cheerful as it's supposed to be. And Paul also posted 58 minutes ago, and he said, I love this $900 commission. This, let me highlight this one here. You can see $900 commission here. And he said, hello to all. $1,800 earned so far this week, and more coming, I can feel. So you can see here, people are earning commission with this program. So let's continue. Melena also posted 2 days ago, $2,500 earned in a week and a half. So that is about 10 days income that you earn. So $900 notification, and the day just started. When you get delusionally confident about your business and you work on your messaging, you will connect with your dream customer, the one that buy from you, and her message continue. Jerome also posted 6 days ago. He was able to earn $26,000 so far since June that he started this business. So $1,200 earned this week, and the total $26,000 since June. So you can do that too, he said. Yeah, you can see. So anyone can do this if you follow the step-by-step guide. You learn and earn at the same time. He said you need to be consistent, keep learning, and use all the tools we have inside the program and inside our community. All the best. Jerome posted this 6 days ago. So congratulations to everyone, and my goal is to help people like you, people who are also living overseas like myself, or anyone who is looking to have something, an online business like this, that can help them to fulfill their vision. And so people who want to become their own boss, this is my goal, to help you. So to earn more money, working less time, to earn a minimum of $2,000 to over $5,000 per month, to have more time freedom to do whatever they want, and people who want to travel whenever and wherever they want without asking for a permission. This is my goal, to help you with this online business that can help you to build a legacy for your family. This is our private community that I updated this very recently, and we are almost getting to 46,000 active members. And the goal inside is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. We already have a lot of six-figure income earner, people that have already earned over $100,000 in the first 3 to 11 months with this program. So we also have a few millionaire in dollar, and also millionaire in other country currency. So the goal, as I said, is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. You could be one of them if you take action today. This is the best place to be at the right time also. This, what I'm sharing to you, can truly help transform your financial situation. And if you found this video useful, please give me a like, and also please subscribe to my channel to help the growth of my YouTube channel. This is my website address here. You will also find it in the description box of this video. And if you would like to learn more, you can also drop a comment in a comment section. Put just ready in the comment, and I will also get the information to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.